Hello, Mr. Drew here. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you at this moment, come to you. We are very close to achieving our goal of opening up the education center here in Poland. Uh, in the time that we've been here, we're still working. We are waiting on the fire marshal, state fire marshal, and we've been approved. Things are going forward. So we still have work to do and some expense. We have a lot of expense. And I have been traveling from York to Madawaska, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, doing shows. And it's been our only income. We have done pop-up events that were free to introduce ourselves to the community, as well as introduce the community, our followers, to our community. And those pop-ups have been well attended, and they are free events. So we're relying on donations to help support us there. We are running very low on funds, and it sounds like a broken record these days. There's so much going on. We have approximately 20 employees that we're paying. We have, material expenses. There's the veterinary expense, the food expense. There are so many things going on all at the same time, and everything is coming in. Of course, inflation is a factor. So if you can find a way to support us, that would be wonderful. You can go through our link tree that'll be included in the end of this video to, find, because on there's Patreon, which is a wonderful way to monthly support. With your Patreon support, each month you'll have deducted from your account whatever you want: $1, $2, $3, $5, 50, whatever you want to do monthly. That helps us in the long run. If all my followers, 45,000 people, just did $1, that's $45,000 a month. It's a minimal expense that would help us in the long run. We also have Venmo if you just wanted to do a one-time donation. We have PayPal. There's other ways to go, and that link will have everything you need to know. Also, if you're interested in supporting us maybe by volunteering, we are looking for especially adults, not children. No offense to children, but it becomes babysitting, and we need adults. Maybe you're a retired teacher to do some activities. It might even be simple things like sitting in this rocking chair and reading to kids. It might be crafts. It might be programs and stuff we want to do, science, nature. There's a lot of things we could use volunteers for, and that would immensely help us. Also, we are looking for corporate sponsorship, and more details will be coming out about this. We're hoping to show you a sample soon. But when you walk into the education center now, there's white and orange ceiling tiles, and those orange tiles pop right out, especially with the green. It kind of gives you that tangerine feel type thing. But anyhow, those orange tiles we're going to use for sponsorship, and they're going to be $365 for a full year. $1 a day can get you your business advertising on our ceiling for a year where people will see it. And we're hoping to get this up very soon for a quick inflow of funding. But not only that, if we can do it sooner, we'll be able to give you the months of September, October, November, and December free, because it's going to be a January to January cycle. So in the beginning, to get you started, we'll throw in 4 months, and then it's just $1 a day where your business will be up there. And every December, we'll send you an email asking if you want to renew. We will direct customers your way. We will point it out so that people see it and have them look up at that ceiling. Can't miss it with the orange, but it's another thing we want to do. And so we'll be showing you a sample. We're having one made for Mr. Drew just to show you what it's going to look like. They can be full color, and they're 4 feet by 18 inches. So it's a very, it's a typical ceiling tile. But it's a great way to sponsor us, help us, support us, and your business will get advertising for $1 a day for an entire year, 14 months in the initial sign up. But we really do need your help. If you come to our pop-up events, drop a tip in the jar. We appreciate it. There's so many ways you can help. We just, one of the things is I don't want this place to ever be too expensive for people. I mean, I could sit there and say, we're going to open our doors and I'm going to jack my rates up. I don't want to do that. I want this to be, it's my passion and I want to share it, but I realize I have to make expenses. I have to pay staff. I have to pay all my bills. And we really need your help. I hate asking. I hate begging. But the truth is, you know, I can't make it without you. I can't make it, you know, to do all the things I want to do. So whether it's through a corporate sponsorship, the Patreon also, you can get your name on a gold plaque, a little brass plaque, sponsoring an enclosure. So if there's an animal you like, you know, for a certain amount on our Patreon, we will put your name up, sponsored by the family of or the business of, and we have multiple throughout the center that you'll be able to see. So these are different things to get your business out there or your recognition, but it's also your way to help us. And we really do appreciate you, and we need you. Without you, we don't have much. You know, we've been here since July 1st. We moved in here and started doing things. And since July 1st, we're now into, I'm going to say 45 days. And we have taken in over 50 animals in that time. And we're not even open yet. So our backroom quarantine is filled. People are bringing them in. I've got phone calls and emails all asking the same thing. Can you take my animals? And that's what we do. But it's a very costly thing. And so any contribution will truly be appreciated. I don't have much more to say. I don't know what I can say, but I hope you can help. And I want to thank you in advance if you do. Sharing my posts and stuff helps. That gets things out there, and it doesn't cost you anything to share. So many of you do, and I appreciate that as well. So hopefully we'll see you all soon, and hopefully we'll be opening these doors pretty soon. We're excited. So peace and love in these wild times.